As the authorities try to contain the spread of COVID-19 in the parish of St. Mary, some residents say there is an unequal distribution of care packages from the government across the community. This, they argue, has left scores of people to fend for themselves. Kelisha Williams has more.
Fruits and vegetables in the ANNOTTO market in St. Mary. Enough to have a feast. But in the communities, some residents say they are struggling to have a decent meal.
Mr. Holiness, you're needing an ANNOTTO in this weekend, no more than this weekend, because say, if you not come here, riot are going to break out here and somebody is going to die. Me know me not going to die for me not going to riot, but they're going to turn Nanny and Marcus Garvey.
The Enfield, Dover and ANNOTTO areas have been under quarantine since Thursday morning, following an uptick in COVID-19 cases in northeastern St. Mary.
I am a diabetic person and I have to go and get my medication and I have to go and get my diabetic food because I cannot eat certain and certain food. You understand me? Boss, when I say left the road, when I say, well, you're going to have to kill me on the road because me not going to left my food.
My son is more important than anything else in the world to me. If me even eat, my son have to eat. Because he's just a child and he's young.
The government has been distributing care packages in sections of the parish since the quarantine order. So why are the residents still complaining? Well, it depends on who you ask. For Marva,
I have one mental, one disabled, two small baby, no pampers. Yesterday, I see them send a bag, no milk, some split peas, and two little mackerel, two sardines. For 7 of us in the house, that cannot do. And I can't get no time. They don't give us no time to go out to buy anything.
I hear the food truck come. And what about the community? What about the lanes? They can't just come on the main and then leave everybody. I mean, that's inhuman. We're all human. And then some people might have it, but there's a lot of people who don't. And they're struggling right now. Because even me, I'm trying to do a little farm. We're doing a little farming since this thing, and I'm giving away as much as I can. You understand? Because people need help.
others said they have not received anything at all.
Me, they're on about 10 somebody right now, and I'm sure I don't think one of them get pear package or mango package about. Right now, I don't think none of them get no package yet.
Residents even have their own theories as to why the food is not reaching their hands.
So I don't see none of the people that with the care package for me say, me a diabetic, me don't want this, give me diabetic food. They might use it as a political motivation, you understand me?
In the meantime, Member of Parliament for South East St. Mary, Dr. Norman Dunn, said he's ready to address the concerns of the people in his constituency regardless of their political affiliation.
And the packages are also tailored in a number of cases to fit the needs of these special needs persons. So once again it is brought to our attention, the team is out in their numbers in many different places, and once they've identified the person with a specific need, the need will be addressed. The packages are designed so it fits the need of the various different persons within the quarantine zone.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.